What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is my basically almost a full month of farming Chia update. Me and some buddies went in and we pooled our plots together. We're all mining on the same monomeric or monomnemonic or whatever it is key. We were trying to just like all pool our resources together. I think combined we're over 600 plots. We have hit nothing. Nothing. We are passing, we're having plots pass the filter and they're actually showing up and doing stuff. But for some reason, for the last couple days now, like once a day, my computer is going out of sync. And I have to turn it off, turn it back on, and it'll resync. And it'll stay good for, I don't know, maybe 12 to 14 hours, but then it goes out of sync again. And it just acts like it doesn't even want to connect. I am on Ethernet. It wasn't having any issues until now. I just updated, but it doesn't look like there's been an update to the Chia GUI for 9 days now. So I'll show you. I guess I'll just show you what I got, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I'm running all my plots off of these drives right here. So we got a 6 terabyte, 5 terabyte, and a 5 terabyte. And then, I have another one right here. This is a 4 terabyte. So with all those, I have 0 Chia mined. It is out of sync right now, which sucks because it's connected. I don't know why it keeps falling out of sync. But before I turned it off, I figured I would show you guys what's up. So I have 177 plots on this computer. And my buddies, they all have between 100 to 200 plots. And yeah, still nothing. Obviously, I know I can't win anything if I'm not in sync. But I figured, I would give this a good, at least month try solo. And yeah, I think maybe now it may be time to experiment and move towards like the pooling protocol or something. So I'm obviously going to leave these up and running until I switch over. I'll have to restart and resync, which is annoying again. But yeah, that's the update on Chia. Everybody keeps asking me, "Oh my gosh, did you do anything on Chia? Have you hit anything?" And I know it's possible because I've met other people that have hit stuff on Chia, and but it's getting hard. It's getting fewer and farther between. If we look right here and we go to the Chia calculator, the network is at 13.9 exabytes. Oh my god, it's huge. So say if we we'll go off of my 177 plots, right? Expected time to win 6 months. Youch. Say we have all 600 plots of me and my buddies. Expected time to win 2 months. We're losing ground. The network is growing faster than we can plot with, 5 to 6 fairly capable computers. This is definitely, Chia is going, solo mining Chia is becoming impossible or very, very improbable for any kind of home miner. Now, if you have some big data center with a lot of servers and a lot of storage and a lot of compute power, yeah, okay, that's still within your realm. But I think for right now, we've basically, we were crossing over that point of no return for not being able to solo mine this unless you already got in early. Now, if you got in early and you have, hundreds of terabytes worth, I guess you could still be somewhere good. 600 plots is right at 60 terabytes. So say, for example, you had 2,000 plots. So you had 200 terabytes. Your expected time to win is now 16 days. Earlier, a couple weeks ago, this was like 3 or 4 days. So instead of hitting something every week, you might be hitting something, every other week, maybe. But that's just a lot of money in hardware. So I'm making this video not necessarily to discourage you, but just so you know what you're getting into. I think definitely going with a pool is the way to go. The only pools out right now are the unofficial H pool. It's kind of sketchy because you have to give them your keys to be on there, and it ain't, if you not your keys, not your crypto. I mean, that's like number one. But what a lot of people are saying is like, man, all you gotta do is make another wallet. So you mine on Hpool. Once you get deposited, you send it to the other wallet. I don't know how easy or how realistic that is. It might be something I'm experimenting with. I got to talk to my buddies, but I just know what we're doing now is not working. It's not working. So, yeah. I guess right now, if I had 177 plots on a pool, that'd be doing about $8 a day. Maybe by the time they take out fees and stuff, $6. So it'd be doing $6 more than it's doing now, which is that would be nice. Obviously, I don't know if that's how they actually pay out, but yeah, you know what I mean. You feel me. So yeah, hope everybody else is having a fine Saturday. It kind of stinks. This is basically the end of the video, by the way. So if you were here just for Chia stuff, I guess the Chia stuff is over. But I wanted to talk to you guys because I'm gonna have to start packing all this stuff down out of this room. My baby is coming. It's on the way. We needed to make a nursery for it. That's why I was building the detached garage. Inside of the garage, I'm gonna wall in an 8x8 room, put air conditioning in there, and move my entire office into there. Well, the garage company is behind. I have done everything that I can possibly do except actually put the garage up. That's on them, which they don't even have the material here, so I couldn't play with it if I wanted to, but I already paid them for them putting it up, so I want them to put it up. But I have to pack this office down. My deadline for packing this down was like early next week, Monday, Tuesday, and that means I will not have a desktop computer set up in a decent area. My wife was like, why don't you pack it all down and set it up downstairs in the kitchen or something? And my setup is just way too big to be like, it would take up the whole kitchen table. And I'm just not trying to be like that right now. So I am going to be switching over to a laptop momentarily. I'm actually just going to grab one of the gaming laptops that I bought. It's like an i7 with a 1660 Ti. And then I'm going to take my camera with me and plug it into the laptop. So my setup will be a lot smaller and a lot more mobile. And then all of my desktop and everything, I think I'm going to plug the desktop in the garage just so it can keep, mining and Chia-ing. One GPU ain't going to make or break the heat situation in the garage. I still have all of my cards off when I'm not home in the garage, which is most of the time because I'm still working Monday through Friday. By the way, people who think I'm a full-time YouTuber, I am the farthest thing from a full-time YouTuber. I still work a regular day job. I work in construction out in the heat. So yeah, I have not elevated to staying at home and soaking up the AC. I still have to get out there and jump on equipment and push a little dirt around. So yeah, I guess that's where we're at right now. Fully caught up. You're caught up on my Chia situation. You're caught up on my office situation and a little bit of catch up on my life situation. I am so ecstatic and so ready for my baby boy to get here. And I can't wait to get him into like sports and stuff. Like when you get through that little poopy diaper phase, but once we're through that, I'm ready. I definitely am. But you know what I'm really ready for is my dang garage. I need my garage. If you're watching this, I don't want to put the company name on blast, but if you're watching this, I need my garage put up, please. They told me Tuesday or Wednesday this coming week, so I don't know. Cross my fingers, but when you get let down so many times, it's just like, just don't lie to me. Just tell me. Just tell me the truth. So, with that being said, though, all the jellyfishes out there, the big old smacks, all you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, as always. And I will see you on the next one. So, my background and my location may look a little different in the coming videos. Just bear with me. We are in a transitional period, and it'll get worse before it gets better. So, later, guys. Have a good one. Bye.